Stop loss and take profit orders are an important part of futures trading. They help manage risk by limiting potential losses and setting a defined risk-reward ratio for each trade. In this video, we'll walk through how to place stop loss and take profit orders on the MetroTrader Web platform. First, let's enter a live futures position with a market order. After that, we'll add our orders around it. I'll open a short position here. There are a couple different ways to place a stop loss. One option is to go to the top bar of the chart widget, click the drop-down arrow, and select Trade Stop. From there, you can click on the chart to place your stop at your desired level. You can also place a stop directly on the chart by right-clicking and selecting Stop Market. For this example, we'll use the first method. I'll click on the chart to place the stop loss, then select Confirm and Send to create the order. Next, let's add a take profit order to automatically close our trade once our target price is reached. Go to the top bar of the chart widget, select Trade Limit, and click on the chart to place the order at your target level, then confirm the order. Now both of our orders are in place. One useful feature in MetroTrader is the ability to drag and drop orders directly on the chart. For example, if I want to tighten my take profit so it triggers sooner, I can simply click the order and drag it to a new level, then confirm the change. If you want to cancel an order, just click the trash can icon. And that's how to place stop loss and take profit orders on the MetroTrader Web platform. If you'd like to start trading live futures, open an account today at MetroTrade.com.